Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how I increased my Airtel Xtreme Fiber Wi-Fi speed. To give you the context, I have Airtel Xtreme Fiber 1 Gbps connection. However, through the Airtel provided router, I used to get around 400 to 500 Mbps speed through the Wi-Fi. So I decided to buy a new router which I can use as an AP, that is access point. I did not want to replace the Airtel router completely as the process is a little complex, and also Airtel does remote troubleshooting sometimes when your internet is down. So I purchased TP-Link Archer AX80 router. It is a Wi-Fi 6 router which has support for 160 MHz channel, and also it supports DFS channel. It supports 4x4 MIMO. It has 8 high performance antenna which is also beamforming. Through this, it can throughput up to 4.8 Gbps via 5 GHz band and 1.2 Gbps via 2.5 GHz band. So overall, it can throughput up to 6 Gbps. It also has two WAN ports, in which one of them is 2.5 Gbps port, which is always good to have. This router usually sells for around 14 to 15,000 rupees. But during the big billion day sale, I was able to purchase this for just 7,800 rupees, which is a steal deal. I am leaving the purchase link below if anyone is interested in this router. So this is my Airtel router and this is my TP-Link Archer AX80, and I have connected the TP-Link router to the Airtel router via Ethernet cable, and all my devices are connected to TP-Link router via Wi-Fi. And I also disabled the Wi-Fi on the Airtel router. That's why you can see the light is blinking. You can see here, if the blinking light, that means Wi-Fi is paused. If you want to know how to put this router in an AP mode and connect it to your ISP router, you can check the description. I have put a video link there. Now let's see the Wi-Fi speed test. First, speed test on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now the speed test on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, which is again connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now we will see the speed through the Ethernet cable directly connected to the router. However, there is one issue with this router. When I connected the Ethernet cable coming from the Airtel router to the 2.5 gig WAN port of this router, for some reason the upload speed was capped at 200 Mbps. I was not able to get more than 200 Mbps speed. I was able to solve this by connecting the Ethernet cable to 1 gig port.